How do you protect your offshore cables today? Sea cables are today badly protected. In order to avoid quality problems, you need to consider the long-term sustainability in projects. In these circumstances, understanding how to select the right offshore cable protection is a vital competence. So, we asked ourselves, how can we produce a product that increases protection for offshore cables? Let us present Snapp Panzar. Snapp Panzar is a portable subsea cable protection pipe specifically designed for offshore use and extreme conditions. We have selected the most durable plastics available. Thanks to its innovative design, the pipes can be installed quickly without any tools, both in subsea applications as well as above water. The pipes can be crossed over, protect whole areas, or used when the cable breaks the water surface and several meters beyond. The cost of an individual breakdown can by far exceed the cost of using an offshore cable protection system. Our pipes are developed together with sea cable professionals, making them easy to install, protecting its contents at all times, even designed for several different terrains. Responsible project managers understand the need for the right offshore cable protection systems. Snapp Panzar, the leading subsea pipe.